Okay, either my dog is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You then to me, I can't really explain it. Look at the size difference in these. Did we have a fit? Now we're just looking at olive oil. Yeah, you being bad. I bought 2 shovels because, as you can see, the bird is deceased. Sorry if you hear my washing machine going right now. I'm gonna cook up some broccoli real quick. And I'm gonna have to put this on a stand because I can't do everything all at once. Listen, I'm the cameraman, I'm the editor, I'm the hostess. There we go. You guys like my shirt? Here, my nasty's out. Lid. Ready? Here's my garlic. I'm making a topper for my teriyaki chicken. Some eggs here and then flour, you know, with seasoning and all that stuff. Take some a little bit at a time. Just break them up a little bit so that way they're nice and separated. Some of this, toss it over here. On top of it, I made gyoza. I got my oil hot right here. Alright. Beautiful. Broccoli is done, rice done. The topper for our teriyaki chicken is done. And then we got some little sliders. And I'm looking for that certain perfection. Cooking the chicken. It's gotta be nice, moist, and tender. And yes, we did get a new grill just because our black stove cannot perform what I need it to do. So here's the grill. Okay, what I basically did is just kind of season the grill and making sure that it's lathered with some sort of grease. Okay, so I turned down the flame a little bit low and first chicken's going in. Hello. Here we go! We want to make sure that we're not moving the chicken too much. Beautiful piece right here. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Boom. And chicken is gonna, oh. Toss it. All right. Get it, toss it. Lather. Let that cook for a bit now. This is the moment where you have to kind of lower it down a little bit so that way none of it is raw. Dude, look at this. Yes.
Good job. High five. Tell him high five. High five, high five. Oh!
Good morning, everyone. Today I just decided, well, since it's snowing outside and it's kind of, I am craving for some more chicken wings because that's what I've been craving these days. I don't want to eat anything else other than chicken wings. We better make some chicken wings right now. right here. I already washed it, and as you can see, that's my lemon juice right on the bottom, and we'll let it marinate maybe for a good 4 hours. Now, I usually marinate my chicken overnight, but I didn't have time to do that because I totally forgot to defrost these chicken wings. And so what I need to do is just leave it in the fridge for a couple hours. Look at my chicken. Yeah. I was watching a video of Kai and Rakai making chicken wings, and I was like, I was so stressed out in their video, and I'm like, oh my goodness, these boys, the mess was more incredible. I have never seen anyone cook so messy in my life. And that Kool-Aid? Damn! He literally poured a whole heap of sugar in there, a huge amount of sugar, and I'm like, dude, Kool-Aid don't really need more sugar, but maybe just a tiny pinch. Now this guy like full on like took the bag. He didn't mean to. It was like a rock hard sugar, because I guarantee you they didn't close it or anything. So the sugar that's balled up kind of fell. Man, I was so stressed. I was so stressed out for that video. And I was watching another video of Speed and Kai making chicken wings. The dude ate it raw. That's some nasty chicken. You know, when these boys decide to place the chicken in the pot of hot oil, both of them like tossing chicken. Boop. Like, no, this isn't basketball. I'm gonna show you guys a clip, a little clip.
Hit that motherfucker.
Anyway, here's the chicken. I'm just gonna get rid of the excess lemon juice in here. Pat the chicken a little bit. Pat it down a little bit. Sometimes I have to help her brush her teeth because... Yeah. Excellent. Scrub it down, girl. Scrub, scrub, scrub. These are my ingredients for my chicken wings. A little bit of salt. If you have buttermilk, that's great. Let it tenderize and we'll get back to it. A lot of restaurants that do sell chicken, specifically, they use buttermilk. Buttermilk kind of does this really nice, subtle to marinate your chicken. Feeling when you eat the chicken, it basically neutralizes the idea that, hey, there's seasoning in here. Have done before, and so you don't have to add buttermilk. You can just use regular milk, just like a bit. It totally makes sense. Tastes a huge difference when I do put it and when I don't. I just, in the process of marinating, you don't have to. If you do not want to add any dairy, you can just go light. But just if you did want to, by all means do it. Next step, we'll turn the heat on. All right.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Flour, King Arthur. Season that. Okay, I'm just gonna add my extra seasoning in here. Okay, once your dry ingredient is mixed, this is what the chicken is looking like. It's been marinating in there. Now we can go ahead with the chicken. All right, let's take this one, put it on here, and I can smell the spices. Okay, throw in the flour, dress it a little bit, make sure it gets evenly coated in the flour. It's very important that you tap the chicken a little bit so that way there's no excess flour going into our oil, because it will eventually get cloudy. Using these chopsticks. Oh. Okay, just like so. Okay, flip it around. Wings like kind of prepped, so that way once you're ready and the oil is good, you can just dunk it in. The exact same thing. Okay, so number one rule, you don't want to make this too hot. Your chicken's gonna cook unevenly. And we don't want it outside. I just usually put it about to a medium high of a heat to kind of get that oil started. I turn and crank it down low. It's about to get real and serious in here. Okay, my grease is hot. Get in this chicken in. Again, shake it off, shake that excess flour, and then drop the chicken gently. Right. Don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise your oil is gonna. There we go. Seep out. Now grab yourself a pair of tongs. Not only that it's saving grace right here. Long, it's not gonna splash me as hard. Let's get in there in that chicken. Look at that. Put it in that flour. Don't be scared of it. Can you see that vessel right there? It's like stand back, stand clear, so that way you don't get attacked. You hear that sound? That's the aggressive sound of stay clear. And of course, in this break, I'm having some kombucha. This one is Island Mango. It's really good. Oh, dude, if I was sponsored for this, I'll let you guys in a little secret. When you're frying fried chicken and you hear for the sound of that oil to kind of, then that's how you know it's time to flip it over. And it just gets quiet. Not like the sound that we heard. Like it was about to like create some nuclear bomb. No. Do not, whatever you do not touch the chicken if it's roaring in the oil. There, as you can see, it simmered down quite a lot. We're gonna go drop the chicken. You hear that sound like it's toning down? That's the sound. Okay, get yourself some paper towel. Paper towel to, Okay, so after your chicken's done hot tubbing, you want to take it out. Yeah. Alright. See that? Let your oil kind of reheat again so that way, it's batch. feel confident that my pot is hot again. So I'm just gonna drop it in, away from you, away from you. Again. Throw the a fourth one in there. Hey, hey, you hear that? Hey, you hear how the oil is talking to you? Like, don't touch me. You do not want to touch that fish. So let it do its thing. Let me just show you guys the situation going on in this chicken. Woo! Dude, it's cooked to a perfectional state. Left. Cook, cook. Cook to the bone. Okay, we better get the rest of these out. There it is, guys. Hey. These up. We're gonna fry and place the last one in there. Third batch. Get it in there. Away from you. Alright. There we go.